07 Durango dash, getting ready to take this stock head unit out and replace it with a double DIN. Oh Jesus, this whole thing just comes right off. Radio is removed. These are the two harnesses that you have. This one is non-amplified, so it has 4 speaker wires on the top, 4 speaker wires on the bottom, all your HVAC and cigarette lighter harnesses. We're going to take this dash, which is a DIN and a half with the half moons, and put this dash kit into it to make it fit and accommodate a double DIN. Hopefully this will look nice. Alright, so what it says is you take this piece, you snap it in, it's like a little template, so you snap it in right here. And that gives you your directions to cut out this piece right here to make it fit to accommodate the double DIN. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out and show you what it'll look like. That way it gives you the half moons right there so they fit right into place. Pretty nice. Nice little template. Alright, this is what it looks like after we cut it. Fits in there pretty good. And then back there. Then we're going to mount 2 tabs to here to mount it into the dash. Not my best cutting job, but it's all behind here, and then this piece will fit right in there. I'll show you what it looks like installed. Got our pack harness wired up for the Sony unit. Getting ready to plug everything in and make sure to see what looks good, what works. And then we'll know. Stay tuned. Ended up cutting this whole rear section of the dash out because this part will not allow the double DIN to go in. So we ended up cutting this whole section out because when it's back here it's causing problems. So now we can put this back on here and everything should fit. Let's hope. We'll see. Okay, little update. You have to cut this bar out because if you don't, I cut the whole back out. If you don't cut that out, the unit will not go up inside. I'll show you what I'm talking about. These are things that are not listed in the instruction manual so that everyone knows that if you have to do one of these, you're going to have to modify this dash heavily. Front of the dash, in the rear of the dash, the sub dash, every single thing is going to have to be modified on this. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All this stuff back in here. The only way to get this to fit properly is to do it like this, is because before this was hitting here and you could not even get these in here. So now everything is fitting perfectly. It's only had to cut out almost all of the dash to get it to fit, but now it all works. Stay tuned. Installed and put in. Disregard this. That was where you used to have a skosh mount, but looks pretty good for a cheap solution to buying a whole entire new navigation bezel. Pretty cheap, inexpensive to make it look nice. Looks pretty good when it's fully installed. Turn it on, show you.
With